So the first thing I needed to do when repotting my pepper plants was make a bigger planter. So I did that with a cardboard box, and then I used a new trash bag to help collect the drainage of water. Lined it all around. I had researched how to do this, and this is what the people said to do, so I trusted what the people said to do. It did. So I carefully removed my little pepper plants from these containers, placed it in some new soil, mixed the soil with eggshells, and after like almost a week, this is what happened. And so, like I said, I was not giving up. I was going to work my faith, and this is what happened. Now, I did this going on 2 months ago, and I have some future videos coming. And this barren area, those seeds didn't want to grow, so I replanted more seeds. And that's what you have to do. You have to keep working your faith. Be encouraged.